Hey guys, frndly with CFL-TECH. I'm back with another review video. Today we're looking at Sling Freestream with over 400 fast channels and a lot of shows and movies all for free. Does this make Sling Freestream the best for fast content? We'll take a look around, but the primary focus is about the updated guide for Roku devices at the time of this video to begin 2026. It will be rolling out in stages, so if you don't have it yet, just be patient. It will also be coming to other platforms throughout the year, so just hang tight for the new look, but I think you'll like what you see. There's the website right there. Now, we'll link the website down below for you as well, so you can learn more about Sling Freestream if you're not familiar with it. You don't have to sign up with an email address or there's no credit card as well, so that's all good news. However, it's recommended to sign up so you get access to the DVR. You get 10 hours included for free here on Sling Freestream. Also, you can save shows, so it's recommended to sign up, but you don't have to, so that's the good news. So let's get into this, show you around. Just a quick mention here. We noticed that there may be a hiccup or two in our Roku stick using this. So if we do have a hesitation during this video, it may go back to the profile screen. Then we'll have to go back in. I'm not sure what's going on with this. Just noticed that today. So we'll see what happens as we go through this video. Now look at these tiles here up top. Some big tiles for recommended content. So that's very easy to start right off the bat. Then you have recommended for you, and throughout the app here, you'll also see some options to sign up for Sling's paid TV services like Sling Passes right above there. You see starting at $4.99. Now we have a show and recording here in progress for Dallas. Now we selected a show just to show you the DVR in action, and we'll go to the DVR section here in a little bit. All of these live tiles here for live TV shows on right now. A lot of popular ones. SNL's there as well. Court TV Live. Bizarre Foods right there. Dr. Phil, also The Rifleman. A lot of shows on Sling Freestream. And the best part of it all is that they're free. So we love that four-letter word. And right here, sports on Sling. A bunch of different leagues, professional leagues, college, all that you want. Now, we haven't set the show to scores. Now, you don't have to. You can turn that on and off. And also, you see the lock icon on these tiles. That's letting you know that's for the paid TV service for Sling. So you can select any one of those to start subscribing. Explore more with Sling right here. So look at all of these options. A lot of these are the lock icon. But again, they have it available here if you want to check it out. Sign up for Sling. Now you have a bunch of collections here, and these are free. So you look at this here. All of these collections. So if you go into any one of these, they have different categories under those. Now, we won't go into that for time constraint. Again, the primary focus is the new guide, the new features in the guide. Now, most watched channels here, look at this. They're letting you know what's popular on the platform. And you have some paid channels mixed in with the free ones, but a lot of free channels on here. Again, over 400 fast channels. So with that, that's quite a bit there. Some hit movies right here. So you have a bunch of hit movies right on the home section to get started off with. So you don't have to go into the movie section. You can go right onto the home section. Featured shows as well. Look at this here. You have Dateline right there. The Walking Dead, popular stuff right off the bat in the home section. Trending right here, letting you know what's live and trending. Like I said, a lot of channels. You have CBS, NBC, ABC, all of the news networks covered in Sling Freestream. Prime TV, look at all of these options. Some popular stuff right here. So really nice to see. You have FBI, Criminal Minds, all of them. Hunter, Classic Hunter on here too. Record now, watch anytime. So Dateline, NBC right there. Modern Marvels. So they let you know these are good shows to record and watch later on. Live news and weather. So here we go with the news. ABC, Fox, CBS. You want it, you got it. Everyone's covered here. And you go on and on. Look at this. Weather Nation's on here too. First episodes for free right here. Look at this. Streaming hub. So if you want to pay for rentals, they have an option. Basically a streaming rental store here as well. So there you go with that. You can subscribe to different services as well. Showtime Plus there, Stars. So you can just sign up for any one of these right through the app. Action movies too. You need some action, right? There you have it. Plenty to choose from here. So good titles in here as well. And all are for free. So if you go into this one right here, Dukes of Hazzard at the movies. You can watch now, add to your watch list, more details, more like this, so they give you recommended content. I like the way this whole thing looks here. They did a nice job with the background colors, good color scheme, really smooth looking. I like it a lot. Nice update here for Sling. Let's go out of this and go back to where we were. So action movies, comedy, look at this. You got Portlandia, SNL. You have plenty of comedy on here, no shortage whatsoever. And that's Sling Freestream going to bat for you right here. Horror movies, look at this here. You got to have horror mixed in with the comedy. Up top there in comedy, by the way, Funny Farm, that's a really good Chevy Chase movie if you're a Chevy Chase fan. Look at all of these here. Unbelievable. True crime, very popular topic right here. A very popular category on all streaming services. It's leading the way these days. And they have it all right in here. Black entertainment as well. Look at all of these tiles with these titles. Some good stuff right here as well. They have you covered on here. Games, matches, and more. Look at this too. You got pickleball right there. Pickleball is pretty popular nowadays. Boxing, football sports. Football replay right there. It's telling you it starts in 2 minutes at the time of the video. My recent recordings, there you go with Dallas recording 12 episodes right now. Then you have subscription options here as well for Sling if you want. New channels letting you know what's new on the platform. So I really like when they let you know what's the latest and greatest when it comes to new fast channels. So that's good to see as well. Look at all of these that are new. Very nicely done. I think we're going to, let's see if it's right. It did hang up on me there. Like I mentioned earlier, let's go back in. Not sure what's going on here. Let's go back to that section in home. And there we go. So that did happen. Hey, it's like live TV and letting you know, hey, there's a flaw here. Hopefully Sling sees that and gets it fixed. But there we're back where we were pretty much. But that happened, as I mentioned, unfortunately. But here we are. So you go down to the bottom. You got music, international movies, browse by channel. Look at that. All of these channels are on the service. Very nice. But let's move on. Let's show you the guide and show you the new updated guide here. I think you'll like what you see with this. So this is the new look guide. So when you're scrolling through here, you have the different categories. They'll correspond with the left side here. Now we're going to premium. So if you hit that over premium, that's selected right now, you can minimize and maximize the sections. So I like that. You can go right to local. So there's local is now closed. You can open it right there. So now you have local news. So you can open and close each section in the guide. I like that a lot. And it scrolls nice in here. So no problems with that whatsoever. And as you can see here in the left menu options now, they're letting you know now how many channels per section. So local there, 21, news 21, sports 32, reality 47 channels, letting you know now how many channels per category. I like that a lot. Look at international free stream, 101 channels. That's pretty amazing when you look at all of the options in here. Look at the countries. It's really cool to see. So if you're an international fan here, they have you covered in Sling Freestream. Now let me show you something else here. When we go up to the top here, you have guide options. So we'll go up to the top here and show you that. Now this is all new. Look at this menu that slides out from the right side. So you have favorites, sort channels, international content, then you go to settings, reset guide settings. But if you go to favorites here, you can easily now select channels that you want to save as a favorite. So Dateline 24/7, select that, and now it lets you know it's added to favorites. And you can also go alphabetically here, so you can go right to the channel letter here. So if you want channels with G, hit that. All of the G channels now populate, and you can select anyone to be a favorite just like that. So very easy. I like that a lot. Then you can sort channels with either categories or A to Z. That's also very nice. International content. Look at this. Look at all of this in here. You can turn on and off. So this is really cool to see for a free service. So this may be the first of them all. So very nicely done here with Sling Freestream. What are your thoughts on this new look here with these options? Very cool. And when you go now, we can save shows. So if you go back to the guide here, so if you highlight, you can save a channel that is. So if you go to any one of these channels here, so you want a favorite. So if you highlight the channel, hit that, select it, hit enter. It'll bring up that window again here. So you can add to favorites that way. You can watch live, go to channel details. So that's also very cool. So very nicely done with this updated guide. What are your thoughts on this new look? Do you like it? I think it looks pretty good. I like the new features with the favorites, with the windows, and the international settings is also very nice. Let me know down below what your thoughts are on that. But let's move on to a different section here. Let's show you the DVR. Now, when you look at the DVR here, you have recordings. We show you Dallas there, and we have 9.92 of the 10 hours used, so only 10 hours. Scheduled right here, letting you know what's coming up to record. Now, I believe it will delete the old ones and record the new ones. Also here, DVR storage. So if you want to pay extra for unlimited DVR, you certainly can for $5 a month, which is also nice. That's nice to allow that for the free service. And here's where you have trash. So it looks like this did go to trash. We didn't do that. So I think it's deleting when it's overwriting for the space, I do believe. But there you have the DVRs, pretty self-explanatory. So if you go in here, it's letting you know you can cancel, record options here as well. You also could do new episodes and reruns, so you can do that. You could also cancel scheduled recordings, which is also nice. We're going to do that right now. And that is now going to be canceled, letting you know. So there you have the DVR. You also have on-demand content. You got to have that. So in on-demand here, you have it set to all the, when you get in, you have my watch list. So when you sign in, you can save shows to your watch list right there. Right now, we don't have anything showing. Movies right there. So all of the movies are showing right here. Look at all of these categories. Must-see movies right here. There's Funny Farm yet again. And you go down here, you have action, you have comedy. We're not going to show you scrolling through all the movies. We just wanted to show you how this is arranged here. But plenty to choose from. Drama there as well. Let's show TV shows real quick as well. So with the TV shows, I like that they show you the number of episodes. So if you scroll over any one of these tiles here, it lets you know how many episodes. So Portlandia is 77. Let's go into that real quick. So you can record, add to watch list, details, and you also have more like this as well. Then you have the live schedule for the show as well. So if you select that, letting you know here what's coming up, you can record right there. So you have record option on the right. So it's very nicely done. Tell you upcoming, the original air date, which is also cool to see original air dates. I do like that in any app. As you go down here, you have bingeable TV as well. Look at all of these options as well. Popular shows. There's Gordon Ramsay, Dr. G as well. Look at all of these and letting you know how many episodes. I really, really like that. Cozy Comfort TV as well as here. All these are on here at no charge whatsoever on Sling Freestream. Look at Cops Reloaded, 125 episodes. So look at that. You can record. You have watch list details, same thing as the other. Very nicely done. Food and travel as well. Game shows right here. All of this on Sling Freestream. Now let's go to the menu again here. Settings now. Not too much to show you here. You can go to your account, just shows your email address. Manage content right here, parental controls, sports scores on home screen, on or off. Very easy to understand. Device settings, autoplay off right now. Browse while streaming is on. Sling rewards, you can sign up for that as well. Accessibility is here as well. You have to go into your settings area of your streaming device for that. But that's pretty much it. The new look on the guide. New menu here on the left side as well. I do like that as well with the in and out there, the animation. So what are your thoughts on this? This is CFL-TECH and Freestream approved. Put your comments down below. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If it's your first time here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know the next video drops in CFL-TECH. Also hit the thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. It's also greatly appreciated. Also, please share this video. That helps us out a lot as well. Thank you, thank you. Hopefully you stayed to watch to this point. If you did, that's great. Thank you, thank you. FreddyTech checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.